Hi, this is Shawn for Shawn Cole Enterprises, um, Royalty affiliate, and today I'm going to talk to you about Royalty and their new landing pages that they are giving to their customers for free with their monthly subscription, and also another bonus that they are going to be adding on in March of 2019. Basically, what it is you create a landing page, use one of Royalty's landing pages, and attach it to your advertisement that you're running through the Royalty platform, your VF Gem. Um, Royalty will send you free leads specific to whatever niche it is that you're advertising for. Um, it's something new that they are doing. They are partnered with a specific search engine which will be searching for certain keywords related to your niche, and they will be funneling those leads to your back office of your upline app. Again, this is all included. It's for free. So extremely powerful. So not only are we giving you a system where as low as $77 down, $47 a month thereafter, where you could place pins and you could broadcast out miles out from your pin, and you could get started with guaranteed leads. They're guaranteeing you leads to your ad, guaranteed impressions on your ad. Now they are giving you landing pages that you can use for free, that you can attach to this ad, which you can use as collection um, to collect leads. You can set up a lead capture form to your landing page. You can collect leads that way. But also, they're taking it one step further in March and giving you niche specific leads to your back office. Extremely powerful. Um, so you could get in, like I said, minimum with a $77 down deposit, $47 after that. Get free landing pages, awesome ad creating system which broadcasts across multiple major apps and online websites from one location for that price. They're guaranteeing you a minimum of 5,000 impressions on your ad. And on top of that, starting in March, they will be sending you leads, niche specific leads to your back office for $47 a month. It doesn't get any better than that. It's totally mind blowing. They continue to add value upon value upon value to their system for their customers. And like I said, we're the best software company out there that's going now as far as generating leads, leads for your business, leads for your offer, whatever it is that you're advertising, we got you. We got you covered. Extremely powerful. I just want to keep this video short, get this information out there to you so that you can be prepared. If you want to sign with Royalty, you're considering it, you have any questions, just reach out to me. My name is Shawn Cole. I can be reached 410-929-3390. You're ready to sign up? I'll place the links in the description of this video. So come on in. I'll be glad to help you out, get you set up, get you up and running, so you can take advantage of this. It's extremely powerful. I'm extremely excited, and I believe you should be too, because we just keep giving you value on top of value on top of value. Again, Shawn Cole Enterprises, Royalty affiliate, and you'll now be getting free leads to your business based off your niche from Royalty, along with the landing pages to go along with our excellent product of the VF Gem. $77 down, as low as $47 a month. You can't beat it. Sign up today. Any questions? Give me a call, 410-929-3390. Thank you for your time today. Have a good one.